Today we are going to install this massage bathtub, but it seems we have a problem here because this bathtub does not fit to the door, so we cannot put this bathtub inside the bathroom. We're going to fix it in this area. As you can see, there is the water supply there, and then we have our drain pipe there. So in order for us to put this inside, we have to remove this panel here from the front. We have to remove it first so we can put this inside. Okay, we're going to remove this handrail, and then in order for us to remove all this panel here, we have some screws. Remove these screws from the outside, and there are also some screws there inside there, so we have to remove that. Now it's already inside the bathroom, this massage bathtub. So first we will connect this water pipe for the hot and cold for the water supply. This is for the hot water, this one, and this is for the cold water. So cold water will be connected here, and this one hot will be connected here. Okay, now for the electric motor, so the wiring is available, and the switch socket is also available, so we will have to connect this one here, and also the drain pipe down here. So the drain pipe there, and this flexible pipe here. Okay, it seems everything is already fixed. The water supply, the hot and cold, the electrical plug is being fixed to the electrical socket. Also, our drain pipe is already being put there. Fill this tub with water until it's half full, so we can test the motor. So I guess it's time to test the tub, the massage motor, if it is working good. So it's half full now, so you can see. So in this particular tub, there is a push button here to okay the massage Okay, so push it on, push it off. Let's see if the shower is working. Okay, shower is working. Hot and cold. Okay. Hot and cold. Okay. So this particular tub is around 10 cubic foot. Size is 0.6 meters by 1.6 by 0.80. So one thing to consider is before purchasing a tub or massage tub or a bathtub for that matter, be sure that the area wherein you're going to fix it, you should have at least considered at least 15 centimeters allowance on the longitudinal side, and then at the so that you can have space, enough space for the maintenance, and of course to make some movements in case you have something to fix inside or at the bottom, or you wanted to check it if something goes wrong during the maintenance, so you can have at least enough space to move. And also consider the size of the door. Otherwise, you are going to dismantle all the whole unit so that you can put it inside. So at least consider the size of the door and also the area of the bathroom wherein you are going to install this kind. I guess that concludes our work for today for this massage tub. Of unit.